Welcome to another edition of Gen 5 Resto Mods. I'm Dave White. I'm your host today for showing you how I build my hot rods. So we're off to see the 67 RDS body, that's the real deal steel body, on the Roadster shop chassis. It's been a while since we've been able to get that back together, and just like on TV, we put them all together, do the metal finishing, and then blow it all apart and paint each individual part. So all those pieces are done, and hopefully, from what I hear, they should be reassembled and the body is back on the frame. So let's go see what Chris has got for us.
Did you want to put this chrome one on?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Those are nice. They're clean. The only thing I'm worried about right now is the windshield wiper motor in there. Yeah. That looks like I may have some interference in there. And this is really nice. You notice how the
Plastic. You might just cut it out.
well, yeah, this is that's on top. I wanted to have that on. We went and worked that up. But this is really nice. This disconnect here for the fuel line. That's really nice. So. Yeah, look how cool the stainless steel headers fit in there just perfect. Man, this thing is going to be sweet. This is really going to be sweet. So did you leave me enough room over here for the heater?
Yeah, I got those.
Okay. Yeah, but see, that's got to go to here.
Should reach, but yeah.
No, that'll go. Yeah, it'll go fine. And then usually, yeah.
And put two different sizes.
God, that looks so cool. That is really, really nice. I like that flush firewall. Looks really great. Wonder what the heck that hole is over there for.
Hole?
This, I think, is probably... I'm not sure if that's the original heater, the heater hose. The small block went in there. So there'll be a couple of holes I'll probably have to cover up. God, I love the way the engine fits in there. There's so much room with the headers now. See, look at this. Look at how the headers work.
What is it?
Oh, is that cool?
Oh, look at that. Lots of room. Beautiful.
I got plenty of room for the radiator.
Lots of room up front.
Oh, yeah. I'll tell you, this Roadster shop world, man, it's the only way to roll. I mean, they're pricey. But, see, the thing that's nice is that the stock ones, when you use the front clip, it's got its rear steer. The rack and pinion goes behind the cross member, and it creates an extreme angle for your steering when it comes in, because it's got to go way back. But here you got a much easier, less of an angle. I don't think I've ever seen this much room up in the front because the cross member's already in. I've got 4 inches. That's gonna be, it's like, wow.
Nobody's got 4 inches.
Wow. Yowzer. So how hard is it to stick this body onto the frame? Is it just pop right on?
For Sean.
Yeah.
I don't think everything's tight yet, but like the mount bolts aren't tight. But
Yeah.
we still got a little maneuvering to do, I think.
So you guys haven't polished it out yet, have you?
No, I was about ready to do the top.
It looks like you've
It's all sanded. Right?
you've color sanded it already.
Oh, the doors have been polished.
Just keep that thing away from me, he says. Okay, so you still got to. Okay, you use these. I was wondering if you're going to use these front bumper clips or not.
Yeah, they look good. These ones, they curve.
On the 68, it didn't match at all, did it? It wasn't even close. Because that's factory. The reason I want that is because there's a little gap in there between the sheet metal here, and yeah, when you don't really see it, but they on the 68 they weren't there.
Yeah, we threw them on because of the gap.
Yeah, yeah. And you guys don't have to mess with the RS stuff. I'm going to do all the headlights and all that business. There's a tremendous amount of wiring. I ordered up a harness just for the front headlights, because in '67 they were electric, and '68 they became vacuum.
Yeah.
But mine, I had the Detroit Speed aftermarket closers on it, the little covers that go over the lights. God, it's finally together.
Yeah, it's taking shape.
Yeah, it looks perfect, man. Looks really nice. And then you can see how nice and easy it is to get to the adjustments for the camber and caster. They're just right there. No messing around. And then this will be the trans cooler right there. Okay, huge. Look at that. Can't wait for somebody to come up and tell me that I've got the wrong emblems on a '67. So we're not going to get to the glass till next week, maybe?
Depends if we get the molding.
What are we short?
The piece that goes right here, but they should be here today.
Okay.
You sent us these ones,
Right.
but we need that
You
one.
need this one. Yeah, I didn't order that one. Sorry.
That's okay. We didn't either. They'll be here today, though.
But look at, there's no vent there. Huh. Huh. Okay, there you go.